some, driving is more than getting from point A to point B. It's about finding definition and customizing the experience. In this lesson, we'll discuss ARIES AeroTread running boards. We'll talk about the features that make them an ideal accessory for today's crossovers and SUVs. We'll also talk about the construction, as well as the tread design and the installation system. They're constructed with an extruded aluminum base that provides a solid stepping surface and keeps them lightweight. The aluminum build also allows these running boards to be impervious to rust, moisture, and road salt. For a sleek aerodynamic look, AeroTread running boards feature tapered ends and a front trim piece. The curved ends allow the board to contour to the body of the vehicle, giving them a seamless look, while the front trim piece adds a stylish and protective accent. To perfectly accent your vehicle, ARIES offers two different finish options for the trim. The first is a polished stainless steel, and the second is a carbide black powder-coated stainless steel. AeroTread running boards are as functional as they are stylish. Each running board features a tough plastic step pad that runs the entire length of the board, providing a non-skid surface no matter where you place your foot. The step pads have a 5-inch width to ensure safe, comfortable footing, and they feature an aerodynamic tread pattern to further complement the sleek design. These running boards also offer several advantages because of their universal track mounting system. The boards come in 4 base lengths, including 67 inches, 70 inches, 73 inches, and 76 inches. Each is equipped with a channel system on the bottom side that allows the mounting hardware to slide along the length of the board to fit multiple applications. This makes installation extremely easy. While the boards are designed to be universal, they mount using vehicle-specific brackets, providing a custom fit and speeding up installation. The mounting brackets attach to the vehicle using pre-existing holes in the vehicle's frame, which eliminates the need for drilling. For each application, a unique pairing of boards and brackets is required. This universal track mounting system is a great benefit for retailers. It allows them to keep a large inventory of brackets and a reduced inventory of actual boards and still maintain application coverage and save a lot of inventory space. These AeroTread running boards are really going to complement the OEM style of your crossover or SUV. Well, that completes this lesson. If you have any questions about this lesson or other lesson suggestions, leave your feedback and questions in the comments field below.